Hello everyone, this is Zishan from Sparky Help. In this video we're going to talk about how to wire a two-way switch in the UK. So you have downstairs and upstairs switch, so you can turn on and off from the upstairs landing and downstairs. So the method is same, so you have power coming into fuse board, and then it's going to the light pendant. The light pendant is going to the first switch, which is going to be switch live, and then obviously we're going to link with a 4-core wire, and they will come on as you press upstairs or downstairs. Another thing, we normally use a twin earth wire with the yellow green sleeving on the earth wire, which is in the center. For this video, to demonstrate how the wiring works, I actually use a single course, and so you can see from the color which cable is going where. Okay, so while wiring the two-way switch, you will have a consumer board, you will have a twin and earth wire, which will be 1 mil or 1.5, which will have one blue, one earthing wire, which will be with as a bare conductor, so you will put the earth sleeve on top of it. The third wire would be the brown, which will be the live wire. So brown is live, yellow green is earth, which is ground, and blue is a neutral. These are the new colors. The old colors are black and red, and obviously yellow green is the same. And that will go to the pendant, and from pendant we'll run a switch live wire to the first switch, which will be again twin and earth, and 1 mil or 1.5. And to connect and communicate those switches together, we need to run 4-core wire, which will have again the brown, black, and gray, and yellow green as earthing wire. So now let me unscrew the switches to see how to wire them. Okay, let's start with the see how long it is. Switch on. So once we open the accessories, we'll see a twin and earth coming from fuse board. It's going to bring live, neutral, and earth. So the independent will have 3 terminals. One is a loop terminal, which is the center one, and there'll be one switch live terminal, and the third one would be for the neutral terminal. For the earthing, we have earthing terminal where all the earthing will terminate. Now from the fuse board, the twin and earth, which is once it comes to the light pendant, will terminate the earth on the earthing terminal, and the brown wire, which is a live wire, will terminate at the center, which is loop terminal, and the neutral at the neutral terminal, which is here on the left. Now the light pendant is going to take the neutral from here. Okay, so we don't have to worry about that. We just need to worry to how to give a switch live current. So current will come from the switch on this switching line to the light pen and bulb, and the neutral for the return paths to the fuse board. Now the second cable we're going to run is again twin and earth, and that is going to be a switch live wire. Will go to the first switch. It could be downstairs or upstairs, doesn't matter. Now, so what's happening here is that we'll again terminate the earthing conductor at the earthing terminal. The brown wire at the loop terminal, and the blue wire is not anymore a neutral. It is going to be a switch live. So we'll put on a switch live terminal with the brown sleeve. So what's happening, as I mentioned earlier, the current is going from the loop all the way to the switch, and when you turn it on, it'll come back, and we'll put in the switch live terminal, and it'll go to the bulb, and from the bulb it need a neutral which is already present there, and it'll go back to the fuse board. Now, okay, let's make it simpler now. So we have one switch live coming to this switch and a 4-core switch in between those switches for two-way communication. Now, the 4-core cable will have, as I mentioned earlier, 4 wires. One will be brown, one will be black, one will be gray, and fourth one will be yellow and green, which is for the earthing. Now, so the brown wire will terminate at L1 terminal of the switch, and then we'll have the blue wire, which we need to mark with the brown sleeving, which is, that is a switch live anyway, and that is terminated at the switch live terminal on the pendant. So that will go to L2. The 4-core wire will terminate the black wire at a common terminal, and the gray wire at L2 terminal, and brown at L1. So there'll be 2 brown and one blue and gray on L2, and common terminal would have a black wire. And on the second switch, which for me is upstairs, we'll copy the same connection on the switch 1, which was at the downstairs. So black wire will be at the common, L1 for the brown, and the L2 for the gray. So that's it. That's a very simple method. So power coming fuse board going to the light pendant, and switch live coming to first switch, and there is a 4-core wire between 2 switches for two-way switching. There's another method of doing it, which is 2-plate method, where you don't take power to the light pendant. We take power to the first switch, then for two-way switches we use the 3-core and earth, 4-core cable, and then we just run a switch live wire to the pendant. So that is another second method. I have done a detailed video for this two-way switching method on sparkyhelp.co.uk. You can always visit that and see the whole process and step by step with the image illustration. Thank you, and subscribe the channel for the future videos. Thank you.